guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is EP Ryan and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle. So if you want to know how I do that, let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell to join this family and comment down below if you'll be rocking this cute, elegant chic style. So let's get into the video. I'll be using braided extension, I'll be using candle, I'll be using matches, I'll be using the pearl scissors, and I'll be using beads for this hair tutorials. So you can use any bead of your choice, but the one I'm using for this hair tutorial is the big ones. Here I'm just sectioning the front line of the hair, the whole front line of the hair, and I divided it into two equal parts. So here I'm just twisting the hair lightly. So anything I'll be doing for the left hand side, that's what I'll be doing for the right hand side. Then I'll be putting the remaining hair extension into a ponytail. So this is me struggling to put the hair in a ponytail. The struggle was so real. The struggle was so real putting this hair into a ponytail. Wahala for fine girl. So that is done. Then I'll be working with the front side. So I measured up to the height of my brow and I'm just twisting it. I'm twisting it tightly and I'm giving a bit of space. Then I twist it down. Then I twisted it up. So this is me twisting the hair up. And that's how to do it. Make sure it's tight so the hair can actually stay. So this is me making sure the hair is tight. There's so much we can explore, but it's really up to you if that's how you want it to be. There's something about you I've never come across before. You've opened up a new door. Then I'll be doing so for the second one. So basically anything I'm doing for the left hand side, that's what I'll be doing for the right hand side. So please watch and stay tuned for the next step. So I'm feeling it's mad you think it's all talk, but I'm really on a real thing with ya. I ain't playing around with ya. No more solo shots of me. I want you to join me in my picture. Is that too much to handle, or do you wanna find out more things you can do? First things first, are you finna be my boo? Finna be my boo, yeah, yeah. Secondly, can I trust you? Can I trust you? Yeah, yeah. Third of all, can you see us too? See us too? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. If all of those things are a yes, then life will be blessed. Then we don't need to worry about the rest. Then we can do us, they can do them. Yeah, if all of those things are a yes, then blessed, then we don't need to worry about the rest. Then we can do what they can do them. Yeah, brand new, yeah, brand new, brand new, brand new to me. Brand new, yeah, brand new, brand new, breathe to me. Brand new, yeah, brand new, brand new, brand new to me. Brand new, yeah, brand new, breathe to me. There's something about you I've never come across before. You've opened up a new door for me. There's so much we can explore, but it's really up to you if that's how you want it to be. There's something about you I've never come across before. You've opened up a new door for me. There's so much we can explore, but it's really up to you if that's how you want it to be. Brand new, yeah, brand new, brand new, brand new, yeah. Brand new, yeah, brand new, brand new, breathe to me. Brand new, yeah, brand new, brand new, brand new to me. Brand new, yeah, brand new, breathe to me. It's that girl, easy.
So I'm done twisting the front side, so now I would be putting the beads into the hair extension. So this is just a simple step. I inserted the extension into the beads, and I'm just doing the same for the left hand side and also for the right hand side. I was just jamming to a song. I don't know what song I was listening to, but I was jamming to the song because I did not want to just get bored making this hair.
Or do you wanna find out more things you can do? First things first, are you finna be my boo? Finna be my boo, yeah, yeah. Secondly, can I trust you? Can I trust you? Yeah, yeah. Third of all, can you see us too?
So I made a knot. I used the length of my earring to gauge it. I did not want it to be too long or too short. So here I'm just tying a knot on each of them. So I'm done for the front side. So here I'm doing the same thing for the back side. I'm just putting beads into the hair extensions, and it goes on and on until I'll be done putting beads and securing the hair tightly.
Something about you I've never come across before. You've opened up a new door for me. There's so much we can explore, but it's really up to you if that's how you want it to be. There's something about you I've never come across before. You've opened up a new door for me. There's so much we can explore, but it's really up to you if that's how you want it to be. Brand new, yeah, brand new, brand new, brand new, yeah. Brand new, yeah, brand new, brand new, breathe to me. Brand new, yeah, brand new, brand new, brand new to me. Brand new, yeah, brand new, breathe to me. It's that girl, easy. There's something about you I've never come across before. You've opened up a new door for me. There's so much we can explore, but it's really up to you if that's how you want it to be. There's something about you I've never come across before. You've opened up a new door for me. There's so much we can explore, but it's really up to you if that's how you want it to be. Brand new, yeah, brand new, brand new, brand new to me. Brand new, yeah, brand new, brand new, breathe to me. Brand new, yeah, brand new, brand new, brand new to me. Brand new, yeah, brand new, breathe to me. There's no easier way to say it. You give me a different sort of feeling. It's mad you think it's all talk, but I'm really on a real thing with ya. I ain't playing around with ya, no more solo solo shots of me. I want you to join me in my picture. Is that too much to handle? Or do you wanna find out more things you can do? First things first. Are you finna be my boo?
So I'm done putting bits into the hair extensions, and I cut the
Can I trust you?
remaining parts. Now the fun part, I'll be using my candle to burn the tip of the hair. Please be careful while burning the tips of the hair extension so you won't get burnt, please.
We can do us, they can do them. Yeah, if all of those things are a yes, then life will be blessed. Then we don't need to worry about the rest. Then we can do us, they can do them. Yeah, brand new way.
So before burning the hair, I dipped my hand into water so my hands won't be hot. So I dipped my hand into water before burning the hair extension. So when I dip my hand into water, I burn the hair and I use my wet hands to just squeeze it to have a softer end or a smoother end. So that's what I'll be doing for the whole of the hair, and we're done. It's just a repetitive process. Dip my hands into water and burn the tip of the hair. Use my hand that is wet and smoothing the burnt hair. So guys, here's the final look of the hair. Please guys, do like, subscribe to the channel, also comment down below if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.